that teachers face a 25% automation risk, but the real story is far more complex than those numbers suggest. Hi, I'm Praveena, an AI and automation nerd, and today we're diving deep into how AI is reshaping the teacher's profession. I've analyzed data from multiple sources, reviewed experts' thoughts, and examined real world implementations to bring you the complete picture. We'll cover the current state of teachers, AI's current capabilities, what tasks are actually at risk, and most importantly, how teachers can leverage AI to become more effective, not obsolete. Teachers represent a 3.7M public school teachers in US of the workforce with an average salary of $65,090 nationally. But the profession faces real challenges. Teacher shortage, 300,000 unfilled positions in US, administrative burden, 60% report excessive paperwork. These aren't just statistics, they represent the daily reality that drives many teachers to consider how technology might help. Right now, AI tools like Google Classroom and Microsoft Teams 80% adoption are already being used by forward-thinking teachers. But here's what most people don't realize. Current AI excels at structured, repetitive tasks but struggles with nuanced contextual work that requires human judgment. The key is understanding exactly where that line is drawn. Let's get specific. I've broken down teachers' tasks into three categories based on automation risk. As you can see in this chart, administrative tasks show the highest automation potential, while interpersonal and creative work remains firmly in human territory. This isn't speculation, it's based on current AI capabilities and real world implementations. Here's how I see skills evolving over the next 6 years. Traditional skills won't disappear, but they'll be augmented by AI collaboration abilities. Notice how AI enhanced skills grow gradually. This isn't a sudden shift, but a manageable transition that smart teachers can prepare for starting today. Looking at job market projections, the data reveals something interesting. While some positions may be displaced, new roles are being created faster in most regions. The net effect for teachers is actually positive, but with one caveat: these new roles require different skill sets. This radar chart shows why teachers aren't going anywhere. While AI dominates in processing speed and pattern recognition, humans excel in emotional intelligence, creativity, and complex judgment. The future belongs to teachers who can combine both capabilities. So, is AI taking over teachers? The data shows it's not about replacement, it's about transformation. Teachers who embrace AI as a collaborative tool will thrive, while those who resist may struggle. Top 3 things to nudge your career into next generation. Number 1, start learning AI collaboration skills today. Number 2, focus on developing uniquely human capabilities. And finally, experiment with AI tools in low risk scenarios. The next 3 to 5 years will be crucial for teachers. Those who adapt now will shape the future of their profession. If you want to see exactly how to implement AI in your teacher workflow, check out our practical automation guide in the next video and subscribe for more AI impact analyses across different professions.